Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm going to do a leftover paint pour with, this is different than normal because it's quite the mixture. I've got the ColourArte Vivid PolyPour in here. I've got Decoart Pouring Medium. I've got Floetrol. As you can see, it's kind of watery. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Focus. So I feel like things have separated. Yeah, I'm really not sure how this is going to go with all these different types of things in here. So this is going to be kind of a crazy experiment that I actually anticipate will totally fail, but we're going to try it anyways. I'm going to flip cup this. Yeah, because recently I've been trying out all these different kinds of art materials. So there's stuff in here that I haven't used before, and I definitely haven't used the leftover version of it. I'm super curious about this. It's actually mostly the Vivid PolyPour from ColourArte and Decoart Pouring Medium. There's very little paint mixed with Floetrol in here. Well, let's give it a go. Okay, well, first of all, gorgeous colors. Second of all, it's kind of weirdly chunky. Like, it reminds me of when I did the tempera paint. It's kind of like wobbly. You'll see probably when I tilt. So for now, it looks really pretty. If I were to leave it like that, that would be really pretty. Of course, it would totally crack. So we can't really leave it like that. But let's try this and see what happens. Now, if you guys can see that like funky consistency there, it's like lumping up in weird places. Oh my god, this is so weird. I've tried previously to do leftover paint pours with other kinds of pouring mediums besides Floetrol, and they've not really worked out very well. This may become beautiful in a different way though, especially for those who don't like cells. I'm gonna go a little more this way. It's gorgeous purple here with gold, and then like a little pop-up of orange over there. That's like super pretty. Yeah, this is going to be those ones where one of those ones where I'm going to see how it dries before showing you guys the video. So let's do this. Let's do our close-up, and then we'll come back in a day or two when it's dry, and we'll see how this dried. I kind of am worried that it is going to crack. You can't really see it on the camera very well, but there's literally like little mountains, kind of. And there's some funky air bubbles in here as well. Anyways, let's do our close-up. So you can see gold in here. This is like really gorgeous colors. And these are paints and mediums that have been sitting in that cup for a couple weeks. Love this like random pop of bright color over here. Down. So super pretty colors, like really pretty. I wish you could kind of see the unevenness of this, but anywho. So there we have it. We'll come back in a couple days and see how this dried. Okay, so we're back, and this is how it dried. It definitely shifted a bit. There is a little bit of crazing, but I actually love it. I think it's gorgeous. And the gold popped up a lot more, came to the top there. So let's do a quick close-up here. This is the bottom right corner. So you can see a little bit of crazing in there. Coming up here to the upper right corner. I love these little pops of orange that are just in there. And there's also some like teal in there. More crazing over here. This is the upper left corner. And you can see that super glossy, that still looks like it's kind of wet. That's the PolyPour as it dries like that. And this is the bottom left corner. And here's the overall view. So I don't know about you guys, but I actually love, love, love this piece. I love the colors. I just love it. And honestly, I don't mind crazing, especially when I'm expecting it. And I was absolutely expecting it with this painting. So I think it's great. I'm going to seal it, and I just love it. Let me know what you guys think. Otherwise, I will see y'all next time.